Hi guys, I'm here with the most interesting light and display box I've ever seen. This is an absolutely awesome thing. It can work with the music or just with the app, and it has up to 16 million different colors. Absolutely amazing thing. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, and then how you can use it. And so here we have the box. Everything comes nicely packaged and protected. So let's lift it out here. Comes also with some accessories, and here of course the power supply and the control unit. That's a box with a lot of light functions. Comes even with the remote control, the controller, decoration, and then we have this box here which looks really interesting. But this thing arrived totally beaten up. I mean, it's not the transportation. The box arrived actually in good condition, so it was not dented or so. It's just, I think, how this thing was produced. You can see here the screw totally off. Here also even one missing. Here also screw from the back missing. Also this one here. Yeah, almost half of the screws are either off or missing. Yeah, this looks like the quality of an item which we got from China usually 20 years ago. Usually when we buy some stuff these days, they are usually pretty good quality, but this thing is absolutely crazy. I think I cannot even really fix that properly. I tried to fix that with the remaining screws. So many screws are missing, so I tried to lift this up, make it flush here and add one of the remaining screws here. But when I insert the screw here and want to fix it, you can see there is nothing behind. So I can't secure this thing here. So let's lift that maybe a little bit more up so you can see how this works. There is some wood here behind. There's also the electronics. But here you can see that wood is not attached here to the top. So the idea would be to have screws from the top here into the wood with the electronics and then secure the whole thing from the side. But everything is not working here. So I've even tried to use some replacement screws, a lot of different sizes, but it's totally impossible. What's also a big problem here is that we have screws here from the top and screws from the side in the same place. So really only very small screws are working, but since the holes are already broken too large, I can't do anything here. But let's see how this would have worked. Yeah, also this thing here a little bit loose. Then of course we need to attach the USB, then goes into the controller. Then we have two ends. Yeah, there's no description about how to use these two ends. So I just have one connector here. So let's plug this in. Yeah, and you can see how great this actually look or would look. So I turned down the light a little bit and you can see it looks like it has built-in microphone, so I don't even have to connect it to the app. There are some buttons here. Let's see if we can change the mode. Now it's a bluish mode, more reddish. Then we have green, we have blue, we have some yellowish, light blue or white, cold white, purple, and here even some mixed colors, green, red, even with blue. Yeah, there are probably thousands of different modes, and we are not even using the app. For the app, you can scan the QR code, download it. I mean, the box is absolutely amazing how this thing looks. I've seen a picture where people have been putting some stuff inside. I don't know how that's possible. There's no real door or so, but the look, of course, is absolutely amazing. Unfortunately can't bring back the automatic microphone detection. It has been working at the beginning. I think that's the microphone here, but there are so many functions, a little bit difficult. I mean, the functions are not described. You can see we have 142 dynamic effects. We have 18 built-in music effects. And on top of the app, we have even the remote control. So we can easily control it here. So we can change the color directly from here. We have rainbow, we have meteor, we have stars, fire. Here some different modes. Yeah, really endless modes. Now that should be the microphone mode. Yeah, you can see that here. Even without the app, it's working exactly according to my voice. So definitely super easy to use even without the app. Definitely an absolute beauty, but the quality of this thing is absolutely crazy. So make sure when you buy only with Prime. So if you get a box like that where all the screws are off, so you can get the money back or get a replacement. Other than that, this thing is absolutely amazing. If you want to have an awesome display, definitely doesn't get much more beautiful than that. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.